The latest technological advancements available on the market are truly amazing. With new developments in the areas of artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and robotics, the future is looking more and more like something out of a science fiction novel. These technologies are not only changing the way we live and work, but also the way we interact with the world around us. If you love staying up to date on the latest technology, then you need to check out these 18 tech gadgets that are a must-see. This is Technology Now. Number 1. Adjustable Reinforcement Bar. Here's a terrific add-on if you feel your handlebars may need more reinforcement. The bar's length may be quickly modified from 10 to 12 inches thanks to a built-in retractable rod. The T6063 aluminum alloy used in its construction provides durability as well as resistance to corrosion and appropriate hardness. Its installation is also non-destructive, and it can be customized with a wide variety of clocks, watches, mobile phone holders, and light switch configurations. Number 2. Atlas VPN. Nowadays, it seems like there's no such thing as privacy on the internet. However, if you use the proper equipment, you won't have to worry. If you need a VPN that can connect all of your devices, look no further than Atlas VPN. Specifically, it protects your privacy by encrypting your data and preventing others from tracing your online movements. You can surf the web anonymously without leaving any traces since your traffic is redirected to a new IP and DNS server before it reaches its final destination. Now you may browse the web freely without worrying about being hacked while using public Wi-Fi. In the event that any of your private information is compromised, Atlas VPN will alert you immediately. Your name, email address, and other personal information may be vulnerable to hackers, and a data breach monitor will scan the web for you. Internet access isn't always the same, as frequent travelers are well aware. In some countries, you may not be able to access some of your favorite content on the internet, such as Netflix shows or websites, but have a look at this. It's possible to avoid these restrictions if your true location is unknown. Number 3. Dolphin Premier Robotic Pool Cleaner. Unless you have a devoted pool cleaner, cleaning your pool will require a significant amount of time and effort. In this case, you can have a robotic cleaner that is ideal for the task at hand. This apparatus is so perceptive that it can scan the entire pool and eliminate all kinds of trash and germs automatically. Once the floor is free, the robot uses its gripping dual tracks to climb the walls without missing a single square inch. Powered by a pair of motors and equipped with 2 sets of brushes, this vacuum is ideal for thorough cleaning. These DC motors are up to 90% more efficient than standard motors because of how they are constructed. In addition, the robot has a selection of filter cartridges at its disposal. Bags ranging in size from micro to extra large leaf bags. They have an LED indicator that lights up when they are filled. The 60-foot power cord that comes with the unit is fairly long, and it has a swivel to prevent it from becoming tangled up. There will be no need to run the vacuum cleaner after each use. You can easily forget about it if you set a weekly timer. Number 4. Luxi MX1 Plus Portable Task Light. Here's a fantastic task light that is easy on the eyes and will help you get more done. That's right, you need this device if you're the kind to spend all day in front of your laptop. It can illuminate your desk without distracting you or those around you. The high-quality, soft LED glare-free gadget installs directly on top of your tablet or laptop's screen. Reduces the strain on the eyes caused by reading in this light. The light's temperature may be modified, and it has 5 brightness settings to suit your needs. A single click of a button is all that's required. You may use a smartphone app to manage your lighting, for instance. The light can also have its direction changed with relative ease. The coolest part is that it wakes up when you get close to your PC and goes to sleep when you leave. The light can be recharged through USB Type-C and can shine for a good long while afterward. Adjusting the brightness, this might be a portable enough device to bring to work every day. Number 5. Lauti Lucky Poker Coin. Similar to heads and tails, but with a skull and playing card design instead, this fidget toy is perfect for poker fans. The toys can be hung from the ceiling or lit from the inside. They are made of brass or copper. This is a perfect toy to effectively manage your stress. Number 6. Fantech 2000 Amp Portable Jump Starter. Jump starting an automobile is no longer a problem nowadays thanks to this gadget. This portable device can perform it with ease. Its 2000 amps of power are great for gas and diesel automobiles of all sizes. Multiple layers of safety ensure that it is risk-free for every user. The device is also weatherproof and built to withstand harsh circumstances. The battery life and other information are displayed on the built-in LED screen. You may use this brick for more than just a jump start. It can also be used to charge electronic devices. Get 65 watts of bidirectional rapid charging power via USB-C. Moreover, a built-in 400 lumen flashlight with 3 models is included. With a capacity of 20,000 mAh, it can be used to jumpstart a vehicle up to 50 times before needing to be recharged. The device has a long life when it is in standby mode. Feel free to share your thoughts on the technological devices I've shown you so far. Drop them down in the comments section below. Number 7. Luminous Dial Motorcycle Clock. Take this chance to set yourself apart by customizing the look of your motorcycle. This bike clock fits a 22mm or 25mm diameter handlebar. This will surely last for years. To ensure the best possible experience for the user, it is both waterproof and shockproof. You can check the time without having to turn on the lights thanks to the nightlight feature on the motorcycle clock. When going cycling or mountain biking, this is definitely a must-have item. Number 8. In order to fully appreciate the cyberpunk aesthetics-inspired spinner, you need to see and hear this: the Soundwaves Haptic Slider. This slider tracks the user's finger as it moves around a woven surface. The intensity of the vibration motor rises as the finger travels along the path from left to right. The toy is manufactured from high-quality, long-lasting materials, incredibly solid. There's also a cutout for the lanyard and a place to slide in a glow stick to make it visible in the dark. A highly addictive toy indeed. Number 9. Modula 5 Wireless Charging System. Many of your electronic gadgets require charging on a daily basis. This wireless charging system is very customizable thanks to its modular design. These portable charging stations come with magnetic connections that allow you to set them up in a variety of configurations. Use a single station alone or link multiple stations together to power your phone, watch, and headphones. Each pod has its own indication for when it is charging. The watch pods only provide 2.5 watts of power, while the phone modules can produce 10 watts. The item will come with a USB Type-C power cord. Number 10. Outdoor Smart Wi-Fi Plug. This smart socket is unlike the majority, which can only be used inside. It doesn't matter what the weather is like. You can put this any place in your backyard because the design is entirely waterproof. Essentially, you retain access to all the advanced capabilities. All you have to do is download the free mobile app, hook up the wall outlet to Wi-Fi, and pair it with the device of your choice. You may use voice commands with the socket because it works with both Alexa and Google. Number 11. Bensai B10 Mini Handheld Printer. With this handy portable printer, printing barcodes, numbers, and tiny inscriptions is a breeze. The 5-roller design of the Bensai B10 Mini ensures high-quality printing on a wide variety of surfaces with minimal effort. Paper, cardboard, metal, or even fabrics, it doesn't matter if it's curved, uneven, or concave. Despite the item's commercial intent, it can be used for any number of creative purposes, including but not limited to accessorizing a phone, mug, or other objects. There's no requirement for a computer at all. The B10 Small comes with an impressive mobile app that can be used on either Android or iOS. It provides a quick and easy way to make customized barcodes, along with the option to print them right away after finalizing any necessary edits. What's even better is that it employs a premium, quick-drying ink that is truly watertight. Additionally, you can pick from 7 distinct hues of ink, including an invisible one. The B10 Mini can print for up to 3 hours on a single charge and may be recharged in between uses. Number 12. Moto Waterproof Tail Lights. Each and every motorbike rider needs to invest in a set of high-quality taillights. LED lights use a lot less power than traditional bulbs, yet produce a lot more light. This smooth animation flows at every turn. With their modern look and road-ready waterproof construction, the lights are a cut above the rest. Additionally, the acrylic casing permits 100% light transmission. With the included universal mount, you can set up these lights on absolutely any bike. Hey, relax for a minute, and while you're at it, press that like button and subscribe button as well so you can stay updated whenever we post similar technology-related content like this. Number 13. SafeNuke Tiny Tool for Public Buttons. Touching public surfaces like door handles and elevator buttons can be a nightmare if you're afraid of germs. Don't worry though, for these problems can be solved with the help of this tiny nuke. It can be used to press any button. Then you can use the paracord to unlock a door. Since the strap's length can be adjusted, it may be used with a wide variety of carrying handles. Plus, the touchscreen compatibility and the chic, velvety tip of this tool are both bonuses. The Bomb's pure copper construction not only makes it appear nice, but also makes it useful as an antibacterial agent. You can select between a matte and polished finish, both of which highlight the tool's precision machining by CNC. The nuke may be put in a pocket and is dishwasher safe. Number 14. Brilliant Smart Home Control. With this device, you can manage everything from the temperature to the music to the locks and thermostats in your smart home. The integrated 5-inch touchscreen and user-friendly intuitive interface make operating it a breeze. In addition to having access to each device and space independently, you can also program them to respond to your every need and build individualized sceneries that combine many functions. This must come in handy. Plus, if you want to adjust the lighting in your home, there are physical controls right here. There are also a number of sensors and an HD camera with a shutter for privacy here. Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands are supported by the device. You may actually manage things from afar with the help of a specialized smartphone app. Number 15. Mackie Capsule. Another high-quality plaything with a fun sliding feature. This fidget spinner has a 3-tiered structure that allows for 2 different transitions, 2 different sounds, and a central rail for easy navigation. The body is made of polished stainless steel that has been expertly machined and decorated with attractive minimalist motifs. This can be used to relieve stress. Wanna have it right now? Number 16. Thermacell MR300 Portable Mosquito Repeller. Insect repellents that work well without requiring any effort are available. The fuel cartridge is placed in the handle and the repelling mat is slid in. The orange light should turn on once you push the power button. A 15-foot radius around the device will be free of pests thanks to this device. When a mat becomes white after 4 hours, it's time to replace it. Since it uses a repellent made from all natural substances, it won't have any distinct odor. Also, because of its small size, the device is highly portable. Many different color combinations are available. Number 17. Motorbike Headlight Switch. Now, here's a nifty device that lets you adjust the illumination in any area. To avoid stumbling in the dark, choose this model with a built-in light. Adding these components to your motorbike will make a huge difference. Number 18. R-Type Design. Well, you might be surprised if you saw this thing walking in front of you, but hey, nothing to worry about. She is simply a robot. That's right, she's a girl. Her name is Naomi. There are no computers in the special system that lets Naomi walk independently. Instead, it uses a large number of gears. The robot is entirely handmade from oak wood, giving it a remarkably organic appearance. Nonetheless, a robust motor and a few batteries are what keeps this monster moving. To this day, it weighs in at just over 4 pounds without packaging. What an incredible creature! These are just a few examples of the latest technological advancements that are available on the market. With so many new and improved products available, it has made our lives easier and more efficient. Again, this is Technology Now. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for staying with me in this episode, and I'll see you in the next video.